Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick sidechain to the compressor for an instrument, an audio track, whatever it might be, and this will add a lot of life to your mix. You can use it for a lot of things, add space, make sure things don't clash. I'm going to use it in the case of EDM music, sidechaining that kick drum to a synth, and you'll see here I got my kick file and I got a synth right above it that I recorded, and as of now it sounds like this. And now I'm going to add a sidechain compressor so that it has a little life to it. So first what you're going to want to do is, and this is Cubase 10, you're going to want to go to your instrument track, audio track, doesn't matter. You want to go to affect those channels. Then you'll get this pop up here, and I'm just going to use the compressor that's built in. So you can add that real quick. All these parameters you can kind of play around with, but what's important to get it quick in Cubase, you can just do the auto release, auto makeup gain, make it real quick. And I'm actually going to turn up the ratio, which will make it a harder pump. And you'll see all this in action in a second. The important thing to do is hit this SC here, and that actually shows activate sidechain. I know it's a little hard to see, but that's what that says. This creates basically a sub bus. So when you send the other audio track, the other instrument track to that sub bus, this compressor is going to react to that. So every time you send something to the sub bus, the compressor will react. So we'll go to what we want to send to it, which will be the kick drum in this case. And on the left here, you can actually see it says sends. You might normally be on this page, but to get to the other page, you will just hit down on the arrow. You'll see sends. Go to that, and you're going to send this kick drum to what it says sidechains bass. In this case, for me, it could be whatever you guys created. And the more sidechains you create, the more you can send to them, and so on and so forth. Boom. Select that. I'm going to keep it off right now. This will activate it, as you can see. Keep it off. Play. And then you'll hear it when it comes in. And you guys hear it bumping a little bit. Now we're going to go back to the compressor, and you see it actually reacting. And the more threshold I give it, you guys can hear what it's doing. You can actually visualize what it's doing. That's a fast way to make a sidechain compression and get some really cool effects in your music and get that EDM vibe, If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.